I'd like to review some changes in the emergency room pertaining to end-tidal CO2 monitoring. The emergency room at St. Alphonsus here in Boise has switched over to Nihon Kohden monitoring system, which means the cabling has changed and also the adapters have changed, or the sensors have changed. So I'm going to talk about cables, sensors, and masks that are going to be used in the emergency room. So first with cables, they're the standard cables we're used to seeing up in the intensive care and in the CDU. So this is your clip cable, and this is your dice cable. So the cables, there's a clip cable. That's going to, a lot of the applications are for pediatric with clip. And so there's going to be a clip cable over on the pediatric trauma side. As for the dice cables, those are going to be available on the vents down in major and recess. So you'll find those on the vents. When it comes to sensors, the sensors have changed. So for the adult sensor in the emergency department, it looks like this. And this is where you would clip in your dice cabling, just like that. The pediatric end tidal come in two varieties. The first one you can use on kids all the way down to 7 kilograms. You can kind of see the shape in here. And if they're less than 7 kilograms, you can use this one. And it's an even more reduced shape than the previous one. This, however, is a clip. The pediatric mask applications I'm going to talk about are clip applications as well too, for cabling. So this is the pediatric mask. Speaking of masks, this is the pediatric mask that we're going to be using. It's got a little tiny bear on there, and then the clip feeds into here. And this is what we use for deep sedation patients. We also have an infant mask. It's a little bit smaller, and it has little tiny birdies on it right here. It too has a clip as well. As for adults, we have two types of masks. We have the large, and it looks like this. We still also have the nasal cannula application. It's just with kids there isn't a nasal cannula application. This is also a clip as well. So it clips right in there, just like that. So you have large and you have extra large. Cables can be found in the deep sedation rolls. So you'll have two types of cables for the adult deep sedation roll and one type of cable in the pediatric airway sedation roll. Hope you found this helpful. Have a great day.